mean, this thing, right? I don't know where to start. So, if I start there, you already know. So, no, it's an unboxing video, but before, I just want to tell you, top of the world, right? Sitting on top of the North Chamonix. Yeah, the whites there. This is handy, but it's français. Voulez-vous français? It's the stupid same thing. Only that you have to wait, you know? This wanted to be just an unboxing video. Yeah! The camera is never too alright with me. I don't know. Yeah, but let's go. I just bought a flashlight because I wanted to ride a Mustang with the police flashlight. No, it's not the flashlight. There's also a sticker. Can't believe it. I want a sticker. I want that sticker. But it's not the police sticker. It's a Moa sticker. Already fingerprinted. And then what we got? Yeah, it's a nice cartoon. What it is. Owner's manual of the Mustang? No. Yeah, we got Chinese. I must study Chinese. Have you seen it? There's a stupid insect in my camera. And the whole thing is, I know I'm taking it too long. The whole thing is, I tried to tune with the phone and it sucks. This is so satisfying. No, I hadn't any baby. So satisfying. I haven't bought any Daytona. So well, let's plug it in. Yeah, don't use this one. Really, don't use this one. It's really, I tried to use it, but yeah, you see, it's good, the level is good, the scents are very there, but 1 hour with the hour, it's like watching the market. So I'm gonna disinstall the Strobo. I'm gonna uninstall it. So I'll have more space in my phone. Uninstall it. Let me learn more light. Yeah, there's still a bit of outside for me. I got the one, so it's gonna be a very small one. But we got the open. I don't know. Is it open? Maybe I should. It's still a bit high. What it means that from here to here it's a bit high, so I need more space to make it lower. It's just a true bypass tuner, but I see the flashing light on the Mustang. It's also a good muting device. We already done. Flashing lights. I'm still eating on. What's this? The flow. I don't know. What's this? X 35 volts. What? From where? On the ceiling? Maybe from the ceiling. What do you call it? A dimming light? No, it's a flashlight. Only because there's no moisture. I'm not gonna dig I'm not gonna dig that Hendrix take down that much. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. I can forget the 1 minute. You know, it's the same. It's quite the same thing with a more bit of color. This must be this one. No. No, it's okay. It clicks. Yeah. Should I buy it or not? A different pedal board. I thought the small one, the small rig was enough, but the small rig ain't enough. So I have to take the measurements, but I don't know what I'm gonna do, especially with the ego tripping over the one Tamabiel that I shouldn't know about it. So someone had a baby, Brenda had a baby. Of course Brenda had a baby. Because I'm not Barack Obama, you know? I don't know what it is, but it takes time, too much time. I mean, now I'd be 55 for, let's say 30. 55 or 50, 50, 30. 50, 30, 50, 40. I don't know if Hendrix had any scoliosis. Maybe it was scoliosis. I don't ride that bike. Bicycle, bicycle. I don't want to discuss any scoliosis. Yeah, but it does a nice coil. It picks up well. Almost like the spring reverb with a flare. Then we got this and that. Yeah. This, not that. It's like driving a police car. Playmobil, anyone?